Hi. Hi, you're excited because I'm sitting on the floor. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing a Pleasers unboxing video. I've been meaning to do this for a minute, and I actually have class in like 15 minutes and I really gotta go. But now or never, right? I just want to show you guys what it looks like. This is how it came, and I'll take videos of me in the class wearing it, and so you guys can see how it looks on. So, hey, man. Okay. Dun 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 dun. Ooh. Oh, these are more pink than I thought they were gonna be. Oh my god, they're so pink. Why do I have these? This is kind of scary. Fresh out the box. Oh, I read somewhere to take this off. I watched a video. They're like, make sure you take this off for your life. Okay. You chew on these shoes, girlfriend? Oh, there's stuff in it. Duh. I hope these just fit, you know what I mean? Like, okay, there's just that. See, I got a size 7. I'm usually a 6.5, and they fit. Oh yeah, I need some sneakers. These are cute. These are cute. Oh. Okay, wait. Let me find some socks. Ta-da. Okay. Oh. Ziggy, ¿qué hora es?
Son las 5:23 de la tarde.
Oh shit, I got class in 7 minutes. 23. I'm gonna stand up. What the fuck? Oh, jeez Louise. Kayla, what hobby? What is this hobby? Like, Kayla, what is this hobby? Kayla, do you like them? I like the color, even though they're a lot more pink than I was thinking they're gonna be. I'm not mad at it. I do like pink. I'm a proud pink lover. I don't want the class to be the first time I stand in these. Oh, these are fire.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side.